Good morning, afternoon, evening out there, Dark Age Camelot community. It is Josh here, and I've got Saturn Night on the screen, and you're looking at a few items here. Today's video, now that things have calmed down, I want to get back to these how-to videos, is how to use higher level gear that will not wear out quickly for a lower level character. Alright, when you're using armor or weapons, okay, and they're higher levels, they'll wear out faster and need to be repaired more often, which is going to bring their durability down quicker. Alright, you'll see on these particular sleeves on my Nightshade, their bonus level is 50. That's what we're going to cover today. Okay, the first one is a cloak that I just did a side quest for a NPC named Banba. She is a furbolg in the rear section of Half on the outside of the wall. It's a short quest. You only earn like 20 gold. Okay, in this particular case, she made a cloak for my Nightshade because I'm using a Nightshade. Okay, this is the item's bonuses. Pretty simple. It's not a great item for a level 43 character, but notice the bonus level. The bonus level is only 22. You can actually equip this item on a character that's level 22 and gain all the magical bonuses. Okay? This can be helpful if you're struggling through an area or trying to run some quests and your character doesn't quite have the stats you need or the spec levels that you would need to deal damage and survive the fights you're facing. Some other items, this one's actually very popular, particularly for leveling. This can be found in the level 42 to 50 dungeons in all three realms, and that's the studded strap belt. You'll notice it has a bonus level of 25. The reason I picked this item specifically for its low bonus level is this right here, the 5% bonus to all experience earned and money pickpocketed from monsters. I'm not sure how many items are out there that add bonus experience and money like this. This just happens to be the one that I've learned about. I believe there may be a couple accessories also that fit in other slots that may have it. I've seen a couple of them in housing for money. I'm not sure about experience. Okay, now the interesting thing about accessories never drop in condition. They used to, and even if they did, they only needed to be repaired when they gave you a plus to your specializations, like Bamba's Cloak does the +3 to Envenom. Okay, the third item I'm going to cover is the Basalt Sword of Oblivion. Now, the reason I picked this one is there's one exception to this. You may notice in the Delve, where it shows level requirement 50 level. Unless the Delve shows that you must be a certain level to equip, in parentheses, you can still equip the weapon or the armor. The level requirement is for magical abilities such as a proc when a weapon spell casts, when it strikes an enemy, or when the item is used, or when the armor is hit by the enemy. If you are below that level requirement, you will receive a message in your combat box that you are not powerful to use the item's spell. Okay? But as far as the bonus level, this sword can be equipped on a character as early as level 32 and used as such. Alright? Like I said, this is a strategy that can be used while leveling up to make your leveling up process a little bit easier, because you can get your stats up closer to their caps or beyond their caps. Alright, take for instance like a Mulvic tune. A Mulvic tune can go to +78 of 78 for item bonuses on the stats, on any of these stats, okay? And their resists can go 20% is the cap for the resists on a level 39 character. I'm not sure about HP, and I think armor factor is only +39. I think you can go 1 point of armor factor bonus from your items on your level, because at level 50 the cap is 50 armor factor from item bonuses. And your specializations, say on a level 39, I think is +10. It might be +9, so don't quote me on that. Like I said, you'll have to look at your own individual templates and see what type of items you want to use. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.